Alright, I just got done with another class. It was GR11. It was called New Directions in Rainwater, Lead and Beyond. And they talked a lot about rainwater management. And some of the important things that they discussed in there was the need for people to plan in their civil design to plan for the 95% of the storms and rainfall that we get that are not 100-year storms. And in planning for that 95%, you'll get better rainwater infiltration and things like that, that your sites will be better. The one thing that they talked about for tools that focus more on that 95% than the 100-year storm was they said to Google Bob Pitt, B-O-B-P-I-T-T, and click on publications, and he has some tools for modeling the rainwater management and the infiltration and the watersheds for those 95% of the rainfall that we get. Another one that they talked about was, hold on, I'm reading through my notes here. It was called, there was another one that was by the Stroud Water Research Center, which was Model My Watershed, which is pretty cool. It kind of made it it was a simplified graphical representation of how to figure out what to do with your watershed. The other one was called Smart Plan. A lot of things that they talked about were water balance and site-specific hydrologic assessment. I don't know what that is exactly. Oh, they said that was important to do for your site to balance your water system. And they talked about the importance of LIDs and ESDs. I think they're the same thing, just called different things. There's a cool thing from the Iowa Stormwater Management Manual that illustrates the importance of handling the little water storms that are more frequent. And that's what I got for you. Thanks.